Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because we're taking a look at the brand new Entegra Coach Emblem. This is model 36H. Now the Emblem is Entegra Coach's top of the line for a Class A gas motorhome, and the 36H is a new floor plan with 3 slide outs. This is great for full timing in a gasoline motorhome. We are going to take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then I'm giving you the 3 things I love about this motorhome and the 3 things I dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, my name is Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, the world's only channel that gives you a true unbiased review about everything when it comes to RVs. So if you find reviews like this useful, consider subscribing. And again, today we are taking a look at the 2020 Emblem. This is the 36H. Now this is on what's called an F53 chassis. It's a 24,000 pound chassis with 30,000 pounds GCWR. So you can tow about 5,000 pounds with this. It is powered on the Ford V10, does have the V10 engine in it. It does also have, since it is the bigger and beefier chassis, it gives you the nice big 22.5 inch tires. And something I really like, Entegra Coaches uses the Alcoa rims, which I'm a big fan of. Up here in the mirror, you do have a chrome mirror, and there is a camera right there. So when you're driving, you can see down your left side and right side. Also, what Entegra Coach does is they use this Easy Drive Elite system, which is a computer balanced drive shaft system to make it a lot smoother driving experience while driving down the road. Model number is 36H, but the actual tip-to-tip length is 38 feet 8 inches, and as you can see, it does have 3 slide outs. What I'm a huge fan of, even though this is a passenger side slide out, which I'm not a fan of those, at least they put the awning on the slide out and you still get a nice great big awning space. And as you can see, this motorhome has full body paint. Standard, it's not an option. One thing that I really like about the Entegra Coach Emblems is that they're at a tier 3 price point, but they give you all the qualities of a tier 4 motorhome. And if you don't know what that means when I call it the tier system, I'll have a link right up there to it's a video about what's the best brand of Class A gas motorhomes. Right here, you do have touch keypad to enter the motorhome, and because it is an Entegra Coach, you do get a 2-year warranty, just like a Jayco, and it does have frameless windows throughout the whole RV, so you can have those windows open all the time. Does have an outside television, and then this is the storage compartment. Check that out. You have not 1, not 2, but you have 3 things of storage. Now the doors are aluminum, they're called slam latch doors, so when you shut them, you know they're shut. And I do like how there's at least pass-through storage to the storage compartment. I'm not a big fan of this carpet, but it does make it noise. What's that? What am I trying to say, Jen? Noise dampering or something like that. It does help with the noise with what's going on in here, but just something that Entegra Coach does. All right. Oh, and it does have a full-size awning. Let's see what that looks like when it's all the way out. Look at that! Power awning with LED lights. It sounds silly, I am a fan of the awnings that have this like texture underneath. It's a lot better than those strictly white awnings. Cool, follow me. Right there, that's where your propane is. And here's a little bit more storage. Now, when it comes to the propane, that size, the capacity, all the rest of the specs about this motorhome, I'll have all that info down in this description below. It does have a 6-gallon DSI water heater coming around the back. There is no ladder for this motorhome, but you can get the ladder added on to any Entegra Emblem. You do have a backup camera right there, and this does have what's called a rear fiberglass cap, which means the sidewall actually ends here, and this fiberglass cap goes around it like this. It's just a higher end feature for better quality motorhomes. And again, your hitch is rated for 5,000 pounds, and that's what you can tow. Coming from around the back, on the driver's side, there's your power cord. It is a 50 amp motorhome, and that's the other side. Over here, this I call the sanitation station. It's a little sloppy right now, but I like how everything's kind of laid out for you just like that. You have your black tank dumps and your gray tanks. Also, you have a water purifier, and it does have a macerator. Here's your fuel tank for you to fill it up. It has another pull right there for your tanks, which is a little weird. This only has one bathroom. That's a little weird. I don't know why they do that. And then right there, it does have a 2,000 watt inverter for your residential refrigerator. And then right here, it does have a Cummins Onan 5500 generator. Now, the outside of this RV looks great, but it looks even better on the inside. Let's go take a look. And real quick, before I show you the inside, if you could, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. The more thumbs up I get, the more YouTube helps me promote this video. But let's check out the inside. Great. So inside the Entegra Emblem 36H, you can see that this is one of the most spacious Class A gas motorhomes on the market, because it gives you a full wall slide on that side and then 2 big slides over there. Let's start with up front. Up front in the passenger seat, you have a computer tray right here. There is a power plug there. You know, cup holders. Nice leather seats, and they are flex steel. Very comfortable. Over here in the driver's seat, you have your auto leveling right here. Power driver's seat. Both seats, they do swivel. Here's your radio station. Also, you're able to see your left blinker, right blinker in reverse. And this is just your control panel. Something that I do like, it does have, what do you call it? Power shades right there. And this little part is to help with the noise from it hitting the cabinetry and everything. Really nice. And then it does have a bunk over the cab right here. Let's show you what that's like. Oh, that's so design flaw. Look at that. That's stupid. Why would you do it like that? All right. Hang on a second. Maybe I'll just cut that out. Wow.
Yeah, so like now put it all the way back. Then you can.
Ah.
Still done.
Cool. So, you guys know I call it like I see it. And this is actually a really bad design flaw right here, y'all. To get this bunk over the cab down, you actually have to drop this all the way back, whereas that one you don't have to. But just something silly, you know. But again, the bunk over the cab is for your non-paying customers. And it does hold 750 pounds. And as you can see right here, you do have MCD blinds throughout your whole RV. Cool. Coming around in the living area, you have your sofa right here. You have 3 seat belts, and it does not look like, so it's not a tri-fold sofa, but it is a sleeper sofa. And then you have a couch right here. Then, right over here, normally this has been your entertainment center on this type of floor plan, but in this one it's not. Really nice, and you do have a fireplace right there. Over here's your dinette, and this is a table that goes up by there. And what's nice about this dinette is that it has a televator. So one push of the button and the TV will automatically raise itself up. And I really love this feature. When I go over the 3 things I love about this motorhome, this is definitely one of them. Like that, the TV's all the way up. Now we're in the kitchen area. You have a nice big stainless steel sink, Corian countertops, solid surface, very nice. You have this nice backsplash back here, and then you do have a Furion cooktop. Check that out. That actually looks pretty cool. And a Furion oven right here. And it was on. Now it's off. Here's your microwave convection oven. And then you do have cabinetry a little bit right there and a little bit above. And then check out this nice, great big residential refrigerator. This is huge, has a water purifier, an ice maker and everything. Now this is what I'm talking about when it comes to residential refrigerators. Here in the bathroom area, look how big this shower is. This is great. Little side note, little glass door right here. This is a great size shower. I'm so glad the manufacturers are starting to make these bathrooms bigger. And then this is your toilet. Nice. You have plenty of space. You have this little door to shut the bathroom. You know, a little sink here, medicine cabinet. Really good sized bathroom. Over here, little bit of a pantry slash wardrobe space, since it is on the edge of the kitchen slash bedroom. You have a television right here, swings up, a little bit of storage. Storage right there, tons of drawers. Somebody's calling me. Oh. Hello, this is Matt. Hey Ivan, I'm in the motorhome right now. Yep. Yes, sir. Hey, yeah, I'm literally making a YouTube video of it right this second. Oh wow. Can I call you back in like 5 minutes? Yeah. Okay, I'll call you right back. All right, thanks. Hey Ivan, I'm gonna leave that in the video, Jen. You know why? Because he's a subscriber. But he didn't buy from me. He bought from Andrea, my wife. My wife works here on Saturdays. Fun fact. People are like, man, nobody cares. Just show us the motorhome. Cool. So this is all pantry space, but it's prepped to have a stackable washer dryer. Really nice that you have the capability of that there. Here's your master bed. And then look at this. That's nice. And I like the mirrors on the door as well. And then this looks like it's kind of a weird size. It doesn't look like a king. It looks more like a queen. But nice size bed. You have little side there for you to have a CPAP machine. 50 amp unit, 2 AC units. And yeah, just a great looking motorhome. Now, before you leave, that was the Emblem 36H. Now it's time for me to give you the 3 things I love about this motorhome and the 3 things I dislike about it. What should I do first?
What'd you dislike?
Dislike. Okay. Well, 1, every time Entegra, this is going to be my dislike on every single Entegra motorhome until somebody changes something. This is the #1 dislike about every single Entegra motorhome. Since I'm up here, this chair having this design flaw has to be my #2. You know, the fact that you have to drop this down to get that bunk over the cab every time, a little annoying. And then 3, I know my 3rd one. Follow me, Jen. It's going to be on the other side. I don't know why you have your dump valves there, but you also have dump valves there with a macerator. Doesn't make sense to me why they do that, and maybe there is a logical explanation. I just don't know. Now for the 3 things I love about this. So this is model 36H, and it models after a lot of really popular floor plans. The Fleetwood Bounder 35P, the Thor Challenger 37YT, the Tiffin Allegro 34PA. It's the same floor plan, but, follow me, Jen. The one thing I absolutely hated about this floor plan, they all have this sofa here, and they all put the television right there, which was the dumbest thing I've ever seen in every of them. Again, Bounder, Tiffin, Thor, they all did that. Finally, you have your sofa here, and you're looking head on at the television, just like that. This floor plan was so great because of how many slide outs it gave you, but that dumb feature of putting the TV right there was the dumbest thing. So that's huge. That's #1. #2 is residential refrigerator. I mean, who doesn't love a residential refrigerator this size? And then 3, I guess my 3rd thing, Jen, gotta be the shower. Look how big this shower is. I mean, I can't say it enough. They cannot make the showers big enough in this motorhome. But that wraps it up. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about this RV or any other RVs, send me an email, mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. If you have any questions about anything RV related, you can reach me at that as well. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that circle button, and hit the thumbs up button, because the more thumbs up we get, the more views YouTube will want to give me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.